Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make mascarpone cheese truffles, or known as palline di mascarpone in Italian. So good, so good. I'm back in the kitchen. Yes, and this time I'm making real treats, not fake food. That's it. Done with fake food, real food. Real treats, yummy. I cannot wait. They're so good. This is, in Italian, they're called palline di mascarpone, which means mascarpone little balls. And I'm not sure it translates that well in English, so I'm gonna stick with truffles. Yeah, let's call them truffles. That will do. And they are little balls, little truffles of yumminess. They're so good, so good. And this is something that I used to make with my mum when I was about this big. But what we used to do, we made them with alcohol. We put maraschino in it, which I can't find it over here, and it's yummy and it's used on loads of cakes, including tiramisu. So this is gonna be like some sort of a version of truffle shaped tiramisu kind of thing, but oh my god, it feels nice. I love them. We used to make loads and loads. But the difference in here is going to be that I'm going to add coffee. We never added coffee, but I do now. And oh, they came out so nice. But let me show you what we need. 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Oh, I love the stuff. Absolutely love it. You need a cup of coffee, which is about 50 ml. And you can make it as you like. I've used my coffee machine. You can make with a mocha. Nice. Instant coffee, or as I said, coffee machine. Whatever you got. As long as you got 50 ml. And then we need 200 grams of digestive biscuits. Cocoa powder, I think is going to be 1 teaspoon. But let's see. Italian measurements are quanto basta all the time, which means when is enough. When is it enough? I don't know. Sprinkles and truffle cases. Let's start making yummy treats. First of all, we need food processor. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna crush those biscuits to a pulp. Let's do this. This is gonna be so satisfying. And let's put the biscuits in. Are you ready for blitzing? Brilliant! Biscuits blitzed. Now, mascarpone cheese. Oh, look at that! Perfect! Nice. And we blitz it. And we add the coffee. I forgot an important ingredient. You also need sugar. Not a lot, 1 teaspoon. And again, quanto basta? Cocoa powder. Ma quanto basta is not enough. I'm adding more. Obviously, I was too little to remember the recipe, so I'm making it up a little bit. And quanto basta is not enough again, so this is my 3rd teaspoon. Need to add more sugar and more cocoa powder. That's it, found my quanto basta. Another cup of coffee, so it's 100 ml of coffee. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge for a little while. Yummy! So good. Now, I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little while, so then it gets a little bit, it hardens up a little bit, and then we're going to roll it into a bowls and put in a sprinkle. I'm so excited. I'll see you in a minute. Ta-da! I kept it in the freezer for a little bit, just because I'm tight for time. So it's just going to get a little bit harder quicker. And it's so hot in this kitchen at the moment. It's just, I'm melting, and that will be melting very soon. So what I'm going to do, put in some of these into my little tray. Got this little pretty little Alice in Wonderland themed tray. Let's do some of that. I have got my sprinkle ready, and here it is. And let's go. And I've got, like, obviously I just had a try. I just tried with my scoop to see if it worked. It's just because I would like to try and to make them all even sizes, and this seemed to be working, so I'm going to carry on. I'm going to do that. Oh, they're already like really gooey. Well, I think they're too big. They're quite massive. I think I'm going to make them smaller. And we roll it into the... Oh my God, this just brings me back on when I used to do it with my mum. Oh, memories. This is what they're all about. Oh my God, I love it. It's going to be very messy, just to let you know. When I was growing up, it wasn't fancy sprinkle like this. It was just like normal little boring sprinkle. But so much fun. Oh my God, these are going to be so good. And as you said, you can make them for adults, as in add a little bit of alcohol. Or if you've got children, instead of coffee, just get maybe some salted caramel. Oh my God, salted caramel. Oh, that would be amazing. That would be wonderful. Or just keep it simple, just a bit of chocolate, biscuits, and that is it. And there you have it, my little palline di mascarpone. Oh my God, it brings me back. It does bring me back to when I was little and I was in the kitchen with my mum making them. Usually we do them for Carnival, which is round about in February. And oh my God, I cannot wait to tuck into this. Once you made them, you just put them in the fridge for a little while and then get them out when they're ready, so they harden a little bit and they're going to be more enjoyable and the flavor comes out. The recipe, oh my God, as I said, quanto basta, that's the secret for the Italian recipes. It's always like a bit of a guesswork, and I was too little to even remember the proper recipe, but you can play with it as much as you like. What I've done is 200 grams of rich tea biscuits, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 100 ml of coffee, and boom! And there you have it. Some sprinkle, and you've got it. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Oh, let's try it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I'm back to being about this big. I'm loving them, so gooey. Oh, the flavor is amazing. Let me know your combinations if you tried it, and what combination you tried, and what is your quanto basta. What's your measurements? What works for you? I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out, because it's going to be more. It's not the end. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.